It is snowing, guys, right now. As you can see, I am gonna go get Bob, and I'm gonna have him help me hook up the Boss EXT plow onto this truck. We just got the plow mount installed yesterday, and so that's what we're gonna do. 5 to 10 inches of snow. So our plan is to go out later here. I'm gonna go out since it's middle of day and snowing. I'm gonna plan on going out here during the day and trying to keep up with what I can, and then we will be back out tonight to do the final cleanup. Bob, you wanna come help me go install that other plow, the EXT? We'll get the plow on that. Morning. Gonna go still?
I don't know, so I'm debating.
Yeah. So that one's a little tricky to put on coming down.
A little chilly.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we got the dielectric grease. Bob's gonna put that on. Nice. Go ahead, back up a little bit. Yeah, should be good.
Just on the edge of having it engaged.
Yeah. Sweet. Okay, that should be good. You guys can see it is snowing. It is snowing, you guys. We got probably, I don't know, ½ inch right now down, and it is about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. It's gonna keep coming down until probably like 10 p.m. tonight. Right now I gotta get my van out. You guys, me and Amy's got to take Georgie to the vet. We've been trying to get this problem that he's been having fixed. He's got like a, I don't know if it's, there's a sac underneath his chin, and it keeps filling up with fluid ever since he was little. And so we've had them to the vet many times, and they've been just draining it. I think a few months back, they did surgery removing something. I don't know what it was. I'm hoping that would go away, right? Well, now it keeps filling up, and then we went to get it drained, and it keeps coming back. So we're gonna go get a second opinion, but it's something that it needs to be taken care of because it's not normal. And so it just keeps filling up with fluid, and it's not good. Come on, bud. Here, get your leash. Come on, bud. Gonna go to the vet? All right, guys. Right here. Let me see. Bud. It's right under your chin, right here. That's a sack right there. Ready, bud? Huh? Oops, sorry, bud. Get down, come on. This way. This way, bud. Hey, this way. Go in the van. This way.
Up, Georgie.
Up, bud. Yeah, there you go. Up, bud. Up, one more. There you go, bud. Okay. All right, guys, it is about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and the snow is still coming down. We've got probably about 2 to 3 inches of snow already, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the skid loader to my shop and move some snow at my shop. All of the accounts, the business accounts, most of it has shut down because of the weather, and so a lot of people already went home, and so we're not going to go out until it's all done. We don't have to rush it. This year I am trying to step back, scale back, so I'm not in the field. I got other plans that I want to do, you guys, in the business. And what I want to do is, I wrote my book, The Heart of a Hustler, and I want to do a tour, and I've been talking about it. And, you know, I'm to the point where I just need to let the team take the reign and run with the business, you know. Especially the snow. I don't want to let go of all my accounts. And so Ashley and Bob stepped up. I gave them more money just to take care of it. And then we have another guy on standby that's going to be helping. So just with them three, they should be able to handle the accounts that we got. That way I don't have to let it go, because as you can see, look at the snow. It is coming down. It is windy. It's supposed to stop midnight. Oh man, look at that. Supposed to stop like midnight here. Whew, yes, and I'm gonna go out right now